Hello everyone. Now for the last and final drawing. Firstly we have made the borders to make it look good, and then we have made a small cartoon. Now we see that this is actually the hat of a cute cartoon, of a cute little boy cartoon. Now that is not some ordinary boy, but it is a pirate boy, and you can see that the pirate boy is holding on to something. But what is he holding on to? We will know that very soon. Now, as you can see, we have made the pirate boy, and now we make the thing that it is holding on to, which is nothing but a pirate snowman. And as you can see, we have made the eye patch to make sure everybody knows that this is no ordinary snowman but a pirate snowman. And then we make the body of the pirate snowman, and we also make another cute cartoon near it, and then we make the scenery around everything. Now you can see that we have made a small house near the snowman, and we have also made a little snow on it, and then we have also made trees and other things around it. Now as you can see, we have made the scenery properly with the houses and other things around it. Now what we move on to do is to detail it further, to cover every little space with clouds and trees as mentioned before. Now we color the sky with a blue color using color pencils or crayons, and we color the sun with yellow color, and we color the hat of the pirate and the t-shirt and the shoes and the windows with yellow color. Then we go on to use a variety of colors to make the entire drawing look very colorful and creative. As you can see, we have used shades of green for the house-like structures, and for the snowman's hat also we have used a little bit of green here and there, and then we have used the darker shades of blue and the lighter shades of blue to bring about some contrast in the entire drawing. And then you can see we have used the color brown for the trunks, and then we have made added more coloring to the little boy, the pirate little boy, and then we have colored the other things that are left with shades of grey as shown. And you can copy the entire same process to make your entire drawing more colorful. We're all done.